Hi there. In this video, I will show you how you, as a 3D artist, can use AI to your advantage instead of seeing it as a competitor. When it comes to creating nature scenes, one thing that you may struggle with the most as 3D artists is reference. Natural reference is good, but sometimes it is not enough depending on the kind of look you are going for. But there is a tool that helps us get high quality reference images. And not just that, but even transform your already rendered images into high quality videos with audio. I present to you Higgsfield AI, and here's how you can use it to your advantage. First, visit Higgsfield AI site. The link is in the description. Sign up using your email and go to the video tab, and under the video tab, make sure the create video section is enabled. Now in this case, you are going to use an existing render I made in Blender and convert that into a video. So let's see how this goes. So to do that, you select the start frame and upload the image. For this image, this is the forest scene I created in my realistic forest tutorial. Next, we can add a prompt and make sure that the enhance option is turned on. We can also select the AI model we want to use. In this case, I use the Kling 2.5 Turbo AI model. Select the video's duration and its resolution. After a few minutes, here is the result we get. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, let us explore how you can add audio with video. So, we will do just as we did for the last one by uploading the image as the start frame, and for the model, we will select the Kling 2.6, which is the newest model as of now. Make sure that the audio toggle is enabled and go ahead and click on Generate. And after a few minutes, here is what we get. This is a great tool when we want to visualize 3D renders while our computer's power may not be able to handle it. Now let's get to another fun part. Let's say you are intending on creating a nature scene, but you struggle with getting references that match your ideas. This is where this tool comes in handy. You can go to the Image tab, describe the scene you want to imagine as a prompt. Feel free to add extra details if you like. Select your preferred resolution and number of generations, and click on the Generate button. It is that simple. With this, you can get high aesthetic images in just a couple of minutes and use this as reference to your 3D creations. With this tool, the possibilities are almost endless, and the only limit is your imagination and creativity. Note that you can also use the images created here to also create video references as well. In our next case, we are going to explore how you can create multiple ideas just from a single render. Here's how. For this, we are going to Cinema Studio and we will upload an image. For this one, I'll use the river render once again. Make sure that the image option is selected and you can type in a single prompt if you want and click on generate. After an image has been generated, you can simply click on the What's Next button. And after a few minutes, several images are created based on the render alone. Isn't this amazing? With these images, you can use these as references and create your next 3D render. This is good when it comes to helping you with ideas for your next renders. Very useful. Let us not see AI as a competitor, but rather as a tool to become better and create better creations. If you would like to use Higgsfield AI's tools as part of your workflow, the link is in the description. I hope to see you in the next video.